Dear friends, in today's video, I want to share some of my practical experiences with agriculture advances. As you are aware that agriculture advances are two types. One is crop loans, second one is term loans. Let us discuss about the crop loans. In respect of the crop loans, we will finance for their production purpose. That is for fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Why it is required? Aware that previously we are having long duration varieties. That means in a year we are able to get only one crop. Nowadays we are able to get two crops, three crops. This is because of green revolution. And these short duration varieties, particularly in crops, they require more fertilizers, more pesticides and management practices. So it requires lot of credit. So that finance we will give. One of the important thing in respect of the supervision of the agriculture advances, crop loans particularly, it may not be possible for a field officer to visit each and every field. So what he has to do is he has to go to village and inquire there and also see entire area whether the crops are grown or not. If any doubt comes, then he can inquire with the farmers and know the defaulters. Here one of the important thing is timely you have to finance him to purchase fertilizers and to use pesticides for pests and all these things and for labor expenses. Then only he will get good crop. Otherwise, if he is not able to fertilize the crop or to use pesticides, he may lose crops. So, first of all, a timely, friendly field officer is required for getting a good agriculture advances recovery. In respect of the agriculture term loans, we usually finance for dairy animals, that is milch cattle. Second one is poultry advances. Third one is sheep or goat rearing. And the fourth one is horticulture crops. All these will come under agriculture term loan. Let us discuss some of the important principles of the agriculture term loan. In respect of the particularly in dairy cattle, what we have to do is we have to finance two milch cattle. Minimum two milch cattle at interval of 6 months. And those are pregnant animals only we have to finance. Or just cowed animals also we can finance milch cattle. In milch cattle, that means milk giving dairy. In dairy unit, two types are. One is crossbred cows and second one is Murrah buffaloes, graded Murrah buffaloes and all these things. In crossbred cows, usually we will finance for Jersey cows or HF, that is Holstein Friesian cows. And in respect of the buffaloes, we will finance for graded Murrah buffaloes. Financing milch cattle, first of all, the field officer should know whether the farmer is having sufficient grazing land to feed the animals. Because he should not be dependent on outside feed. It will be very costly. And for that reason, at least a minimum grazing land should be there to feed the animals. Second one is whether milk route is available. So, whenever the production comes of the milk production comes, he has to sell, the farmer has to sell the milk. If he is not able to sell the milk in proper time, it will be perished. So, for that reason, a milk route should be there. And reasonable marketing facilities also available for his other products. All these things he has to assess and he can give the dairy animals. And primarily the farmer should have a knowledge about maintaining of the dairy animals. In poultry advances, there are two types. One is for egg laying purpose, second one is for meat purpose, that is broiler production. These two types we have to finance. In respect of the egg laying, we have to take care of the shed, construction of the shed and directions of the shed, and also the farmer's experience in poultry farming. In respect of the other meat purpose, let him have immediate amount and it should be rotated. And if there is any tie-up arrangements with any other companies, we have to have a tie-up arrangement so that we will get repayment directly from the suppliers. That is who are having a tie-up arrangements with us. And the third one is some hatcheries also we can finance. All these things come under poultry finance. While inspecting the poultry advances, the field officer first of all should inspect whether the birds or chicks purchased as per the project report. Second one is whether the feed is available. Third one is whether there is any tie-up with marketing arrangement of eggs or broiler, that is meat. And all these things he should inquire locally and should ensure that farmer will get good income and he is able to repay the loan. So all these things the field officer should assess, and also how the shed construction and also the experience of the farmer is also very much required here. Agriculture advances, one of the major advances is tractor finance, that is farm mechanization. Here we will provide tractor as well as implements also for the farmer. It will be a long duration, 7 to 9 years. And first of all, whenever we are financing the tractor, we should know the farmer should have sufficient irrigated land, that is 5 to 7 acres. Otherwise, he may not get good crop. So 50% of his income should come from incremental income from crop production. That means from crop production, he should be able to repay 50% of the tractor loan. Remaining amount, he can hire the tractor, and further he can hire the tractor and earn the amount also. But mainly he should get from agricultural income by good agricultural operations of the tractor. The horticulture crops are nothing but long duration crops. So farmers should have knowledge about these horticulture crops. Because these are the long duration, the farmer may not get income immediately. So the field officer should assess his capacity of the farmer, and if possible he can suggest some intercrops also in horticulture crops. Particularly, what are the horticulture crops? Usually our people will go mango, santra, that is sweet orange, and also sapota, and in some other term loans are minor irrigation, that is we will finance for bore wells and also electric motors, where you have to see while financing electric motors whether the electricity line is available there. And also while financing bore well, you should see that geologist certificate is there, that is water availability in that area. All these things we have to inquire before financing. And other term loans are particularly fisheries and prawn culture, that is shrimp culture, and fish culture and crab culture. So many other term loans also we can finance as per their requirement, but you have to assess it correctly, and if possible you take the guidance of the veterinary doctor or fisheries expert while financing these loans. Okay, all these are the term loans we can finance. While financing, everybody should know what are the basic things in that advance. That is, while financing fisheries, you should know about a little about the fishes, that is katla, rohu, mrugal, major crops, all these things. While financing poultry advances, you should know what are the types of birds are available, that is white leghorn, Plymouth Rock, all these things we can know. And in respect of the dairy animals, we should know what is Jersey cows, what are the graded Murrah buffaloes, and what is Holstein Friesian, how they will survive, all these things, a little bit of knowledge the field officer should have. While financing the minor irrigation, basic principles is geologist certificate, whether the water availability is there. So all these things put into mind, and while financing this one, and make it all viable project, and it improve the production. Besides, our agriculture income also will increase, and our agriculture advances also will increase. As per the norms we have to maintain at least